Hello guys, this is Len from Sydney CBD Repair Centre, and we have here an iPhone 17 Pro with a cracked display, and this is going to be the first. Let's get started. Just imagine you have an iPhone 17 Pro, you paid a lot of cash, you don't have Apple Care, and now the screen is cracked and damaged. What are you gonna do? Go to a repair center like Sydney CBD Repair Centre, because we can fix your smartphone for you for a very reasonable cost. And this is an actual repair on this orange iPhone 17 Pro. As you can see, the same process as the old iPhones, 2 pentalobe screws on both sides of the Type-C connector, and then we can remove it from the right side, lift it up from that side as well, because all the connectors are located on the left side. I'm gonna slowly make our way through with our pry tool and some alcohol. See there, it's getting softer. Make some gaps, pull it up slightly, take your time, no rush. This display is a goner. I'm gonna have it refurbished or recycled, and as you can see, it still turns on. Bad dents and cracks on the corners. Yeah, you can still use this if you want to. If you don't want a damage like this, it's going to be risky. We have a replacement display here ready to go. So we'll shut this phone down just to make sure we are safe. Lift it up 90 degrees on the left side. Our advanced tool for holding the display is up, and remove this retaining clip. It's quite smaller compared to the older models of iPhones. You have the connector here, 1, 2. There you go, 2 of them. For the Face ID, we remove the chip that is embedded in this very thin component. We're gonna take our time. If we don't transfer this, no Face ID. Lift this up. So this part is also miniaturized. Older iPhones have larger Face ID components like this. It's just adhesive and a retaining clip, but mostly adhesive. So we need to transfer this to our replacement display. We need to be precise. The adhesive on this one is still good, so we're gonna reuse that. No need for us to apply additional adhesive. We put on the retaining clip just to press it in, and as we install the iPhone, it's gonna be pressed in, so nothing to worry about. Next, we prep the housing. Adhesive strips around is quite damaged as we opened it. We also have a grill for the speaker, very thin, but we can reuse that. Our replacement screen doesn't come with this component either. So compared to Android smartphones, the iPhones is still easier to replace screen with, just like a Google Pixel. Just remove the display right away. Just make sure you have the proper tools and, of course, proper training. David has done this many times before with older iPhones, so it's just a plug-and-play skill you can use for iPhone repairs. We test it before we close it, just to make sure it's working. And sometimes we can show you the whole testing phase because it's private phone. Sometimes wallpapers come up. We don't want you to see it. But this one, we want you to see David. That's the expert we have here in the shop. Everything is working. The client will have to test everything for themselves after the repair, but initial assessment, everything is good to go. We prop it in with our advanced tool again. Retaining clip goes in. One screw. It's quite easy to remove, guys. And we have our liquid adhesive just to support the replacement display. This is not going to be waterproof anymore because we have compromised the factory seal, but this is going to be enough so that the new display will not fall off when the client will use it daily. I'm going to put enough around before we press in the display. So if you have an iPhone 17 Pro, don't panic. We got you. We have parts, we have expertise. For a very reasonable price, you can have your 17 Pro up and running with a brand new display, and look at this result. Now press it in. It's all good. Put back the two pantalobe screws and we're done. So thanks for joining, guys. Like and subscribe. Visit us if you have any issues with your smartphone. And we'll upload more videos next time. So this is it, the before and after. Thanks for joining. Take care. We'll see you again next time. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.